Hello and welcome to the Side One YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we're unboxing a reciprocating sander. Now this is a battery operated pen style unit. So let's open up the packaging and have a look. Comes with multiple tips according to the packaging. Okay, so I haven't had this open yet, and I haven't looked to see what it actually looks like. Okay, interesting boxing. Charging instructions on the back of the box. Once it's connected to the charge cord, the function key won't work anymore. It'll shut it down. Got a red light while it's charging that pulses, and it switches to green when it's fully charged. We've got some operating time here. Reciprocating action 2.5 plus or minus 0.1 millimeter. Horizontal reciprocating tolerance 0.01 millimeter. Battery size 280 milliamp hour. Oscillating tolerance left right 0.1 millimeter plus or minus. Charge time 20 minutes plus or minus. Doesn't say what the tolerance there is. Work duration without load 100 minutes. Alright, so let's have a look. That's a hinge. Magnets are holding this closed. A couple of magnets here and in here. Looks like stickers with different numbers on them. 500, no, 1500, 1200, 1000, 800, 600, 400, 280 and 180. So these must be the sanding pads. So that's a 1000, and down the bottom here 180. There's all sorts of different shapes and sizes of scoring on these. It looks like we get 2 packs of those. We've got our charge lead, USB-C. It's getting to be pretty standard on tools these days. And this is the unit itself. It's actually got a little bit of weight in it. Okay, so it's got a cover over the business end. All right, probably can't see it in the camera, but this tip, when it's turned on, is moving in and out at a fair rate. It's not moving far, but it is moving in and out. Now we have tips to go on the end of it, and there's quite a few tips. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tips. This one's got a little bit of a triangular shape to it. And it does move back and forward, so you could use that to sand down in that direction. I'm guessing these labels are so you can label what you've currently got on it. There's a flat spot here where a label would fit. Let's have a look at some of these tips. Getting it off's harder. So we've got this this shape. Most of these shapes that are here, I'll have to try and get a closer photo of this. That's better. So you can see those ones there match this tip. We've got a very narrow one here. A little flat one. This one's rounded. This is got a almost an angle corner type part. This one's flat with a rounding on the end here. That's definitely just flat. And this one's curved. So it's a case of pick the tip you want. This is now I found a nice focal point. The tip without any of the end effectors on it. This looks pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like when it's charging. Okay, and it's drawing around 3 watts during charge. And as promised, it does not turn on when it's charging. So the real test for this one's going to be when I start working on some of the parts for the in-move head. I've got a mold that I'm working on, and this will get into some of the very small areas that are hard to sand. So I think that's where it'll work really well. It's what I actually got it for. On the back tells us what size it is. 280, 400, 600, 800, and 180. So there's a few different sizes there. And that's got 180 there, so I'm going to assume that that's all the same sizes. So I'll have to have a look and see online if I can find some more sandpapers for it. If I can, that'll be really good, because that would be the single biggest thing that's going to be an issue, is if you can't get more sandpapers for it, because that is a consumable. So I'll have to do a bit more research on that one. Maybe do another video as I clean up the in-move head. I'll definitely learn more about it then. Okay, a quick search on AliExpress based on the brand name and sanding head. showed their actual store. I can't pronounce that. I apologize to the company, but yeah, that's a little bit beyond my tongue. But yeah, their packs of sanding pads, which was a concern I had. I did actually find a couple of other stores on AliExpress stocking the sanding pads. From the actual store, they're listing it as $56.69. So I must have got this from one of the other stores selling it, because I got it for $53.62, and heads as well. So that's something I think I'm going to have to put into my cart. Get a couple of those so I can set up heads with different size grits on them. But the important part is I can get sanding pads for it as well as heads. So I bought this one through AliExpress. I've been buying a lot of stuff through AliExpress of recent. It set me back $53.62 Australian dollars. I don't think it's too bad a value. The last couple of tools I've bought through there, the little pen style things like the screwdriver, etc., have all looked pretty good. Well, that'll do for this video. If you like these videos, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. It's a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to help the channel further, I do have Patreon and YouTube membership, and you can join my VIP patrons Go Lucky and Jeff Jerd, my builder patrons Al Morales 45, Andrew Cardone, Airgar69 and Chris Smith, and my YouTube members Joel Huxwell and Chris Smith again, in helping to support the channel. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or drop into my Discord and ask your question in there. If I can't answer it, someone else might be able to. And we'll see you in the next video.